Pining, unveiled, understanding the depth of longing. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms and phrases. Ever heard of the word pining? If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind pining. Pining originates from the Old English word pinion, which means to torture or cause to suffer. But don't worry, in modern English, pining has a more emotional and less harsh meaning. When someone says they are pining for something or someone, they mean they are deeply longing or missing it intensely. It's like a persistent ache in your heart for something you don't have around. Let's look at some examples to understand how pining fits in everyday conversations. 1. Ever since she moved to another city, she's been pining for her childhood friends. 2. I've been pining for a vacation on the beach. 3. He looked at the old photographs, pining for the good old days. From these examples, you can observe that pining can be used in various contexts, but the underlying theme is always a deep sense of longing. Language is rich and varied, so there are many words that can capture the essence of pining. Here are some of them: yearning, longing, aching, craving, desiring. These words can be used interchangeably in many contexts, but each carries its nuances. It's always good to understand the subtle differences between synonyms. So there we have it. Pining is all about feeling a deep sense of longing or missing someone or something intensely. Whether it's a person, a place, or a memory, when you're pining, you're feeling that pull in your heart. We hope this video helped shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the beauty of the English language.